I feel an overwhelming sense of pride when I think about our community's response to the pandemic because it truly was a community effort from day one. With my sincere respect and gratitude, the professional staff of our Federation and Foundation, along with the professional staffs of every organization in our Federation family, who work more than 24/7 to change lives and save lives every day. They are the true heroes of this story.
Work during the COVID crisis was definitely intense.
My work has definitely been exhausting. That's the honest truth.
It was a little tense at first, I'd say.
It was a complete strike of fear. Besides being safe for myself and the patients and staff members, also worrying about bringing it home to my family.
During COVID, we've had such a high volume of requests for individual counseling, for couples counseling for our children in the community. Whether they lost someone to COVID or they're dealing with increased anxiety and depression. What's very interesting and exhausting about this work right now is that I'm feeling all those feelings too.
The most dramatic change for the classroom was the using of our face masks, getting used to being able to tell somebody's emotions and being able to understand a child who isn't necessarily talking very well, to understand what they're trying to tell you. It's a little frustrating at first for everybody.
Definitely the most dramatic changes, trying to keep our patients as happy and upbeat as possible, knowing that their family couldn't visit, learning definitely how to wear PPE for hours at a time. It was hard even to try and get the patients to recognize who you are. It hurt because you were always the ones to be there face to face with them, and then they couldn't recognize you anymore. Still even hard to try and cope with this situation.
It's been a privilege for me to be a mental health care worker in Greater MetroWest during the COVID pandemic. Even though there's so much need in our community, there are also so many resources available. I know I can get help if I need it, and I can give help if it's needed.
We've had so much wonderful support from our parents, from outside sources, whether it's MetroWest, that have allowed us to really build these outdoor areas to make it a safe environment for us and for the children.
I would like others to know within the Greater MetroWest area, we are here to keep fighting COVID for as long as we have to in order to keep others safe.
I've been asked many times about the Federation's role in responding to the challenges of the pandemic, and my response is, this is what Federation does.